Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too.
Hi, welcome to Max Your Journey. My name's Alvin.
My name's Dana.
Thank you guys for joining us. Please hit the subscribe button to join the tribe and follow along for our camping adventures, journeys, and tips. Welcome back to Max Your Journey. Today we got an awesome review for you. I'm going to be showing you a fifth wheel because me and Dee might be in the market for a new camper, new RV, and this is a fifth wheel that I believe will fit your family into it, or just guess if you have them stop by. It has plenty of room. It is a Cougar 2021. I'll get the specs for you and show you in just a second. Stay tuned. Alright, as you can see, it is a Cougar 368 MBI. Has the climate guard protection. And let's get started right out here on the outside. As you can see, it has one big slide out. Nice Keystone steps, man. Step above. These things are solid to the ground. That's what you want if you're in the market for a new camper. Beautiful big awning, but also has a second awning. This is just in the front of this Cougar. And then if you can notice right here, it even comes thin shade ready. If you're a camper, you know what that is. You can just go ahead and place that shade inside. Has that little drop down to give you that privacy you need. We'll take a look here. You got your little outside kitchen right here, little grill. Can even probably replace that with a Blackstone because we all love us a nice Blackstone. All right, I'm gonna show you this compartment right here is gonna be your pass through. It is huge. I already checked it out. Look at this. Look at this right here. Just massive space. You can definitely go full time with all this space. You have your switches in here. Everything, your command center box, your TV hookups out here, man. This is massive. Wow. It also has the magnet strip so it doesn't fall down on you, so you don't have to worry about any of that. All right, let's check right here. This is going to be your propane storage right in front, one tank on each side, so that is nice. We'll make our way around so you can see actually how big this is. More storage up front, your pass-through generator, other side, slide. This thing has multiple slides, as you can see. You get 3 here on the back side. Ladder in the back also. So you have access to that roof. You also come equipped with the Furrion hookup already for your camera setup. You have your power hookup right here on the back, 50 amp, and you also come tow ready if you need to bring a trailer, golf cart, whatever. It already has that set up there for you. All right, let's make our way inside this beautiful rig, man. Gorgeous. So as you come in, you can notice coat rack, little board, gives you that real nice home feel. Very nice. So this is standing at the doorway, wood steps, faux wood. Looks very nice. We're gonna make our way over here to the kitchen area. As you can see, big beautiful island, man. Just check it out. I wish it was the one big sink like most are going with, but it's still beautiful, big. Has the sink, faucet that pulls out for you. And here's your pantry, extra bedroom. We'll get into that in just a second. Just a little tease. Got a big convection microwave. They got this one priced at $49,000. I believe because it doesn't come with the TVs. It has a nice tri-fold gas propane burner here. Little room on the side if you need to have like a little prepping station there. This is your pantry. It's huge. This is what I was trying to show you. I'm 6'6", and that's the top. So you're going to need a little stepping stool or something to actually reach that. But you got plenty of room down here. Canned goods, dog food, throw some shelves in there. You are good to go. They even put these little nice accents around. Oh, and let me not miss this nice feature here. That is beautiful. Little added touch to this package that they have here. You also get plenty of storage down here. And you also have your Furrion oven, which many of us don't use, but it's nice to have just in case. Plenty of storage. And storage here also. So I'll step back, show you the floor real quick so you can see how that flows throughout. You can see you got your dining room here, which also turns into a bed. And then you also have your nice recliners. Now these are beautiful. I'm gonna get into those in a sec. Just showing you the whole layout. If you were to come in, as you can see, check out this. Now this is a bed. You have your fireplace, big TV there, storage around. So this has a huge fridge. Like I said, check out all that storage room you can get inside there. And then you got the double freezer. That is massive. That is amazing also. That's just what you want. Domatic freezer, Domatic fridge. Fireplace would definitely come in handy and look good. And plenty of storage up top. Massive storage. So this is a bed. This pulls out. It's going to be like a old school trifold bed, queen size probably. Looks really nice, really good quality on these things, like the faux leather. But these chairs here, let's get into it. Little storage for your remotes, whatever it may be, phone, cup holders. Then you have the power. You have your light, your USB, heated seats, and vibrating seats. This, after a long day of playing or working, man, that's something nice to come home to. And I love that they went with the wood blinds. It really gives a nice touch to it. I always like that feature myself. Let me know in the comments what you think. So we go into this. So it's a fifth wheel, but you got room for family, kids. This is going to pull out to a nice big bed over here. These just pop right off and it lays down into another bed. So you got the couch bed out there, but you also have the bed here in the guest room. And then this is your wardrobe setup for that kids room or guest room. You can also throw a nice TV here as I sit down. Nice TV here. Even a little laptop with a little chair, a little folding chair would be nice. You got to think outside the box. This thing is beautiful. Plenty of room. So it looks like you could have a guest over or something. Not too bad. Let's make our way back here. But wait, there's more. You got a nice built-in ladder here. This ladder leads right on up to, you guessed it, another loft bed. So you can fit even more people in here. Nice little skylight. Even gave it its own little window so you don't feel so trapped. And you have this nice bar. So if it's tiny kids, you probably could fit 3 smaller kids up here. 2 kids easily. This thing is wide and nice. And you don't have to worry about them falling off. You can even probably fit a little baby gate right here running across to make sure they're secure up there. And command system, touch screen, everything. So that is going to be nice right there. Sorry, no power in this one just yet. Make our way to the bathroom. And then this is across from the bathroom. So much light in here. So you're standing at the top. So much light, so much room. This is the gorgeous bathroom. Big glass window, nice touches here. The mirror, as you can see. Nice big Domatic toilet here. And then towel storage. And a nice pocket door right here. Oh, sorry, it's latched. I'll get that closed for you. Just slides, something very nice. The touches they put in this thing is just beautiful. Even somewhere to sit here while you shower, and that is a nice shower head, trust me. The skylight for us taller fellas is much needed. Let's check out this. Medicine cabinet. Plenty of room. You can see me in there. All right, this is your master bedroom. I'm gonna step back so I can get the full thing. Big bed, nice padded headboard, big double mirror closet over there, some more wardrobe there, a built-in dresser here. So obviously you're gonna throw your TV right here on this nice big wall at the foot of the bed, and a big window to bring in that natural light so you don't feel like you're living in a can. But wait, it's more. As you can see, these right here, that would be your washer and dryer hookup. So you got this shelf. It's going to either come right on out, allow you to set that up, and it's already pre-hooked up for that. So this Cougar 2021 fifth wheel seems like it has it all. I mean, look at that. I didn't even expect that. A little teeny dresser inside of here with these double mirrors, man. Beautiful. Just beautiful. So it has 2 AC units. As you can see, this is what you need in one of these bigger rigs here. You have your slides. You have everything you need on this big beauty, man. Just gorgeous. All right, so that is another rig, another travel trailer, another RV brought to you by Max Your Journey. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't, go ahead and hit that. And hit that thumbs up if you like this camper. And we'll keep bringing more to you. I should be working on another one because, like I said, me and Dee are looking at getting another camper. Really trying to narrow it down. We want an island. We know that. And we need room for our big family. 4 kids. And even somewhere for the dog Manny to sleep. He doesn't get too picky. So thanks again. Check out our other videos and please subscribe to Max Your Journey. Thank you.